Hey all.
Hey everybody, welcome to this channel update on the east coast. We are currently sailing down the east coast of Australia, and we're having a bit of a disaster with our, basically I'm just going to get right to the point, we're having disaster with our sails.
Yeah, as you can tell, it's torn to shreds.
Look,
we've done repairs on the other bits of the sail and up there. Yeah, it's just, you know, we bought this boat sight unseen from French Polynesia, and we've had tons and tons of issues, and we always knew our sails were a bit rotten, but they were kind of the last on the list because we had loads of other things to repair, and we spent so much time and so much money on that engine and drive leg and everything that it's time for us to get some new sails. Desperately need the new sails, and our Genoa is so stretched out of shape.
but looking at prices, we tried to get a sponsorship but nobody's willing to help us.
Yeah.
And we've never done a video like this before, so it just feels a bit weird. Don't know what to say because we tried to do this like 3 or 4 times and couldn't do it. So it's going to cost about £4,000 for a Genoa, a stay sail and a main sail, and we're going to set up a GoFundMe page.
Yeah.
And if you would like to donate and help, we just absolutely love it. We've never asked for help before, and because we haven't got any money. Basically,
it's all gone on fixing this boat up,
spending stuff, and we just need some help to get some sails. We come up with a little idea, and I don't know if people are going to agree with it, but anybody that donates over £10, we're gonna, with the new sails, we're gonna write their name on the sail.
Yeah.
And it'll fade over time, so you like almost part of the journey. It's quite a cool idea.
Really cool. Yeah. To have hopefully hundreds of names or handwritten all down the sail. What a story that would tell.
Yeah, so we're going to leave a link down in the description and a pinned link in the comment section for a GoFundMe page to fund the Sailing Brothers' new suit of sails, or just help. Just help
towards the cost of it.
Towards it, because we're trying to.
We're going to stitch this now, because we're on passage now to Ballina. We've still got another 70 odd miles to go. I'm expecting some good strong winds tonight.
We want to heave to with the main tonight.
I need to fix this today.
Well,
kind of fixing it.
We're both fixing it, aren't we?
Yeah.
But that's
it's rotten as an old tea bag.
It is. The Genoa is okay. It's out of shape. Yeah. I know there's a massive clanging from the mast at the moment, but we put an aerial in there and it was totally a disaster, and it's clanging back and forth. And that is chased through as well, so we've got to replace that.
You live and you learn.
But thank you for watching all the videos, and you will see in the videos that we have other problems. I can't speak now with the main sail. So,
it's too dry for you, is it?
Yeah.
You suffer from dryness, don't you?
It's very socially dry.
Yeah, so thank you so much for watching the episodes and commenting and subscribing and helping us out, and really look forward to the response we get from this, so thank you all so much, and we'll see you very soon.
Yeah. Bye everybody.
Ta-ra.
See ya.